What's up, guys? Kid Mario 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis and intro video on Medicalchain. Currently down about 11% for the day, sitting at 17 cents in USD value. Down about almost 8% for the day, sitting at 1,965 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, a quick little intro into what Medicalchain is. Medicalchain enables the user to give healthcare professionals access to their personal data. Pretty much what it does is it's interacting and is recording all the data into an audible, transparent, and secure way on Medicalchain's ledger. Medicalchain is a platform for others to pretty much use to build applications that are compliant and pretty much work and improve the user experience between the Medicalchain doctors and users. Medicalchain is currently working on two applications which helps alongside its platform. The first application is doctor to patient, which pretty much allows users to find a doctor in their local area and go directly from patient to doctor instead of patient to third party to doctor. The second app is a marketplace for Medicalchain to actually negotiate commercial terms with third parties for alternate uses. So pretty much what that means is the second app is going to be allowing users to pretty much sell their medical information for research such as illness, cancer, whatever, just future research, just to kind of help the industry altogether in general. But that's kind of a quick intro into Medicalchain. Really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 413 billion. Today's volume is 22.8 billion. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 36.8. Seems like you can't, I step away from the screen, step away from the charts, think everything's normal. Boom, come back, and then everything's just chaos. Looks like we're starting to bleed a little bit today, folks. Down about 4%. Bitcoin below 9,000, down about 4% as well. Ethereum sitting just below 725. Ripple down almost 8%, sitting at 7.5, sitting at 74. I'm sorry, down 7.5, sitting at 74. Said the same thing twice. Bitcoin Cash down 8, sitting at 1,500. EOS down 2, sitting at 1,750. Big winners today: Denzacoin up 7, Huobi up 4, 0x up 3.5. Bitcoin question mark. Who are the big losers today? Nexo down 20, Matrix down 20, Ethos down 20, BitShares down 15, Redcoin down 12, Digibyte down 11, Syscoin down 11. Dang, some of these coins are taking some pretty big hits. Just a correction, nothing to fear. But you folks came here for some Medicalchain. Market cap is sitting at 32 million. Today's volume is 4.1 million. Circulating supply here, folks, 185 million. Total supply, 500 million. Major exchanges: Huobi, Gate, KuCoin, and Ethanex looks like are the major exchanges, and IDEX. Really quick though, folks, go ahead and take a look at their website before we look at some price action. Medicalchain team, white paper, news, partnerships, events, careers, contact. Own your health. So you can register as a patient or register as a practitioner. So I'm not a big fan of any of these, medical cryptocurrencies or anything that really doesn't have to do anything with the financial industry. Just because I feel like this is still kind of relatively new, and I feel like the financial industry is going to be the first one to get it right before anyone else does, but who knows? So I kind of just try to, stay that way, financial security, all that fun stuff. But I kind of actually really like the idea of this. You're able to go straight from patient to doctor, not having to, and you have all your information basically on your phone or online on a ledger that, the doctor can obtain without any issues. The only reason I'm saying I like this coin is because the other day my friend actually had to go to the doctor and they didn't accept him because they didn't have any of his medical information and he didn't have any of it either. So I feel like this would have been the perfect use for him if he would have just registered and had everything online. He could have showed up, showed the office all his health records and all that fun stuff, and he would have been in and out. Well, maybe not in and out right away, but at least they would have accepted him. But they actually didn't accept him and they sent him right out, which was unfortunate, but it is the way it goes. So but Medicalchain I think is pretty cool. I like the idea of it. Let's go ahead and look at their partnership, see who they're with. Medicalchain announces partnership with the Groves Medical Group. Okay, that's a UK group, I believe. Based in London, UK, yeah. So this is a new coin. I like the idea of it. Will I be investing into it? Maybe a small amount, just because I like the idea of it, and only because I can personally kind of relate to it. My friend wasn't accepted for whatever reason. He didn't have his medical records and all that fun stuff. So I might take a little bit of a risk and invest on this. That's just my personal opinion on this coin. But let's look at some technical analysis. That's what you folks came here for. Looks like we double topped here just below 10,000, folks. Next target for Bitcoin is about 8,700. If we don't hold at this level, I'm actually expecting us to make a pretty dramatic fall. I'm looking at about 7,700, folks. I'm thinking we're going to be right about here. Switch this to blue, that way we know it's our support. So this is what I'm looking for, folks. If we don't hold at this level, expect Bitcoin to fall all the way down to about 7,700 and then bouncing towards the upside. So I'm looking for support here at 8.7. If not, I'm looking at support at 7.7. Just my personal opinion, folks. I'm not a financial advisor. Just wait if you're looking to add to your bag. Look, most of us, personally, I thought this bull market or this bear market was over. Doesn't seem like it. Looks like we still kind of got some room for some corrections here. Ethereum resistance at 8.15. Kind of, a little bit of indecision. However, looks like it's a pretty strong, we did close below our trend. So now what am I expecting for Ethereum? I'm actually expecting Ethereum to make a pretty good, nice retracement as well. Let me go ahead and clear this up for us. Take out my little arrows. I think Ethereum, folks, is actually going to be coming down to about 550 and then bouncing towards the upside. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. This is just kind of what I see in price action. Price action is showing me this. Could be wrong. I have been wrong before. I'm only human, but here we go. So I'm expecting Ethereum to make a drop to about 560, 550, and then bouncing towards the upside. As you can tell, momentum definitely starting to shift towards the downside. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. Kind of a dramatic, nice little double top here as well. We found resistance at 180. Since then, we've kind of been retracing. So I'm expecting Litecoin to hold that. If we don't hold at this level at 150, I'm actually expecting it to come down all the way down to about 125. It's currently sitting at 146. Expecting Litecoin, if we don't hold at this level, expecting us to drop down to about 125 and then heading towards the upside. But again, folks, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. But you folks came here for some Medicalchain to BTC technical analysis. Unfortunately, we have to do it on the Huobi platform since they're not listed on TradingView, even though, sorry, there was something in the air, even though the charts are provided to us by TradingView. But really quick though, folks, this is the daily chart we're looking at. Medicalchain to BTC. We were stuck in this nice little bearish parallel channel, broke out of it, came down to test it for support. Since then, we did test for support, but we've kind of been consolidating here between 1,000 and 1,500 Satoshis, just kind of consolidating. We broke out again, came back down to test for support, and it looks like we're in this uptrend now. Formed this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we're currently sitting at about 2,000 Satoshis. But what I'm actually expecting from this coin, folks, is for us to drop all the way down to about 1,500 and then bouncing towards the upside. Let me go ahead and exit out of this. Let me show you what I'm expecting. Oops. Because for some reason it doesn't show it, but price is actually at 1,900 Satoshis, but it's only showing it here at 2,000. So we're actually already down here. So we're about to break this downtrend. So what I'm actually expecting from this coin, folks, bounce to about 1,005 or retrace to 1,005 and then bounce towards the upside. So I'll be looking to get a buy here. Other than that, I'm actually waiting for the break and close above 2,350. Once we get the break and close above 2,350 on the 4-hour, should be good to go. So either wait for the break and close above this level or wait for the bounce right here, folks. But where do I see this coin going in 2018? I think this coin could easily come up to about 5,000 Satoshis, currently sitting at 2,000. I'm expecting this to happen towards the end of 2018, but this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.